This is a tutorial on how to insert multimedia files using structures 19.0 and 19.2. This means that you will learn how to insert Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF files. If you are using WordPerfect, you will have to convert those WordPerfect files to a Microsoft Word file that ends in doc. As always, let us access DGen. Click on Admin Sections. Let us work on the About Us section. Click on the Editor icon. Click on Add New Structure. Select Structure 19.0. Click on Insert PDF File. Browse and locate the PDF file you want to upload. Double-click on the PDF file. Then click on Publish. Now only click on Publish once, otherwise you might entangle the system. I repeat, click on Publish just once. The uploading process may take a bit of time. Remember that you can only upload files less than 2 megabytes. To give you an idea what a 2 megabyte file might contain, the PDF file we have selected is 1 megabyte and has 14 pages full of color pictures. So this 2 megabyte limitation of all uploadable files is very large. We arbitrarily have selected this PDF file of the newsletter of St. Paul's Church in San Miguel de Allende. The PDF file has been uploaded successfully. Click Continue. See the little X at the bottom right-hand corner? That little X serves to delete the PDF file. In this particular case, DGen will not ask you, do you want to delete this file? Therefore, be very careful or you will have to re-upload your file, which, as you know, takes a while. Now, let us go back to the website and see what we have accomplished so far. Let us click on About Us. The PDF file is embedded in your content area, meaning it is merged into your website. Visitors will now be able to print, save, send by email, zoom in and out. Remember that no PDF file can be altered. Now, go back to DGen and see what happens. We'll click on the backlink. Click on Add New Structure. This 19.2 structure has to do with Word, PowerPoint, Excel, as well as PDF files. We will now click on Insert Multimedia File. You can upload up to 30 multimedia files, of course, only one at a time. This is very important, one at a time. However, if you want to upload more than 30 files, you will need to add another 19.2 structure. You can add as many 19.2 structures or 19.0 structures until you run out of space on your web hosting account capacity. We are now going to click on Browse. We will now start on a Word file. Click Publish and wait until you see Multimedia File Published Successfully. Click Continue. The name of your document will be stored in DGen. Therefore, name it properly before uploading. Okay, now let's browse and upload another type of file. We will use for this tutorial an Excel file. Of course, we will use the same process. Double-click on the Excel file. Publish. Continue. Now we will do the same thing for a PowerPoint presentation. Browse. Double-click on the PowerPoint presentation file. Publish. Continue. We will now do the same for a PDF file. Browse. Double-click on the PDF file. Publish. Continue. Very important. See the X icons to the right of the files? If you click on the X, you will delete that particular file. This will be done without warning. Therefore, be very careful not to click that icon, or you will have to re-upload that particular file. Let's go now to the website and see what we have achieved. Click on Refresh or Reload. Structure 19.2 will display the 4 files we just uploaded. Visitors will be able to download those 4 files now by clicking on their icons. The difference between the 19.0 and the 19.2 structures is that 19.0 only embeds the PDF file into your content area. The 19.2 structure will allow people to download multimedia files directly to their computers. Remember, at this point they can change those files, except PDF files, but only on their end. They will not affect the files that you stored on your website. The reason that Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files cannot be embedded in your website is because users can alter your Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files just by clicking Control-S. You really don't want this to happen on your website. This is why we have 19.0 just for PDF files. Let's talk about PDF files for a second. You can choose them to be presented within your content area, or you can have your visitors click and download the PDF file. It is your choice. This ends the tutorial about uploading multimedia files.